Create a YouTube campaign to get more subscribers. Go to Campaigns, select the blue button for Create Campaign, select New Campaign. Go with Create a Campaign without a goals audience so that you have as few restrictions as possible. Select Video as the campaign type, and select your objective as drive conversions. And here, where you see a number of different goals, we want to add a goal and select engagements. And you'll see that the conversion source is YouTube hosted. That's what we want because we want conversions on YouTube to generate subscribers. Hit continue. You can select the location where you want your ads to show, English, maximize conversions, or target CPA. Let's just go with maximize conversions. Set a daily budget, let's say $5. Networks, I'm going to try to disable Google Partners, but it won't let me, so we're going to have to stick with that. Can take a look at our additional settings, make some changes if we wish. Now, the main thing is down here. We put in a URL for a YouTube video, so I just copied a URL for one of my videos, so I'm going to paste it in here. Here it is. It's one of my newer videos. And the call to action here, this is the most important part. We're going to hit subscribe. So now you can see in this preview, for example, there's a blue button that says subscribe. We can see how that looks in different placements. So here it's in a white box. Here it's not as actionable as it is in other places. There are a number of different ways to preview the different ad types in different cases, but if you really want to see what it looks like, hit preview ad on YouTube, or you can just copy the link here and paste it into your browser. And you would just hit the blue button, create campaign, and that's how you'd get more subscribers.